Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Slides not working problem step by step. Let's get started. If Google Slides isn't loading, keeps freezing, or isn't working properly, don't worry. There are several solutions you can try. First, refresh the page and check if the issue is resolved. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can prevent Google Slides from working correctly. If the problem continues, open Google Slides in an incognito or private window to check whether the issue is related to your browser. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies. After that, restart your browser and try opening Google Slides again. Another solution is to disable your browser extensions temporarily. Sometimes an extension may interfere with Google Slides and cause unexpected issues. Next, make sure your browser is up to date. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. If the problem still isn't fixed, try opening Google Slides in a different web browser to see if the issue is browser-specific. You can also sign out of your Google account and then sign back in again. This can refresh your account session and may resolve temporary issues. You don't need to show the sign-in process on screen. Another thing you should check is your Google Drive storage. If your storage is full, free up some space and then try using Google Slides again. Finally, restart your computer and open Google Slides once more. In most cases, one of these solutions will fix the problem and Google Slides will work normally again. That's it. Now you know how to fix the Google Slides not working problem. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.